The updated page with price adjustments. This is the main tool for interacting with the personal account. The profit that the agent can earn depends on it. If for some reason the updated page is inconvenient for you to use, you can continue working with the old version. To do this, use the version switch. Here you can choose the type of currency in which you want to see all the financial information on this page. You can set prices for services manually or use auto pricing. The number of services for sale and the total number of services are shown just below as a fraction. The toggle is blue if all services are included in the sale. It is yellow if not all services are included in the sale. The toggle is gray if all services are excluded from the sale. You can immediately set the price for all services, either maximum, average, or minimum. The changes will be reflected in the cards on the sliders and will be applied to all services. Alternatively, you can set an automatic average price for the top services or for the other services. The automatic average price ensures that the sale price for selected services always matches the average sale among all agents. You can filter service cards by various criteria: all services, favorites, for sale, disabled, banned. You can select only one of these categories. The filtering of service cards occurs according to the selection. For example, if you select for sale, only the services that are included for sale on your account will be displayed. You can also use various additional filters and sort by automatically calculated average price, demand range, or overall demand satisfaction based on your options and preferences. Since the number of services being sold is constantly growing, we have implemented a list by the names of these services. Mark the services you want to place in your favorites for quick and convenient access to them easily, and you can turn the service on or off for sale by pressing the toggle switch. The toggle switch activates the service for sale, and your income is displayed on the card to the right. The toggle switch is off, excluded from sale. The top sales label shows that there is currently increased demand for this service. The free price label indicates that the service has the ability to adjust the price to be twice the standard values. Checkbox for set automatic average price means that the average sales price will be automatically set every 10 minutes for the selected service. The slider will be colored gray, indicating that it cannot be moved manually. The blue section on the slider. The average demand price for the last 24 hours. This is the price range from the minimum to the maximum cost at which a customer is willing to buy a room. The red section on the slider. The average demand price for the last day of sales. This is the price range from the minimum to the maximum amount that a customer is willing to pay for a room. This means that there were no sales for this service in the last 24 hours, and the range is set based on historical data. The slider is blue if set price for the service is within the range of the average demand price. The slider is red if the set price for the service is outside the range of the average demand price. When clicking on competing prices, a modal window opens with a list of the quantity of all available SIM cards and their costs. This functionality is duplicated on the slider when hovering over a bar. The bars labeled available that fall within the range of the average demand price are displayed in blue. Bars that fall outside the range of the average demand price are displayed in red. The bars are displayed on the slider from left to right as the service cost increases. The more numbers available at a certain price point, the higher the bar will be. The sales chart reflects the quantity and price of sales by all agents and specific agents for the selected period. You can also set the price for the service in the service card, maximum, average, or minimum. The changes will be reflected on the slider in the service card. Demand satisfaction for the agent is a parameter that shows the ratio of the number of user requests to the number of successfully issued numbers by you, available for agents working by protocol. Overall satisfaction is a parameter that shows the ratio of the number of all user requests to the number of all successfully issued numbers. The demand satisfaction number is green if the value is greater than 60%. If the value is greater than 30% but less than 60%, it is yellow. The demand satisfaction number is red if the value is less than 30%. If the service is banned, the service card remains active, meaning it does not turn gray. You can still move the slider, and the unbanned date is indicated on the right side.